Do you know what gives your beverage a sparkle, tangy taste, makes it bubbly, fizzy, and prevents spoilage? It is CO2. CO2 is the principal way of carbonation that imparts taste to the soft drinks. Do you know who makes the CO2 plants to make your drinks tasty? We are Ashirvad Group of Companies, quality unbeatable, the leading manufacturers of CO2 gas plants. With over 20 years of continued success and recognized excellence as manufacturer, designer, supplier, and installer of the plants and equipments for CO2, N2, O2, LPG plants, equipments and engineering works for the chemical gas sector industries, Ashirvad has built a reputation of performance, dependability, and long life service. The ACIPL team has rooted itself in a foundation built on the quality and performance of our equipment.
मैं जगदीश प्रसाद कौशिक, आशीर्वाद कार्बोनिक्स इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर। जो आशीर्वाद की जो पॉलिसी है वो पॉलिसी है कस्टमर बेस, कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन। इफ़ कस्टमर इज़ सेटिस्फाई, कस्टमर सेटिस्फाई है, खुश है, तो वो हमें दोबारा ऑर्डर देगा, वो दोबारा हमारे पास आएगा। टेक्नोलॉजी, हाई टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करेंगे, कॉस्ट इफ़ेक्टिव हम बनाएंगे, कम से कम कॉस्ट में अच्छे से अच्छा प्रोडक्ट हम कस्टमर को दें। यही आशीर्वाद कार्बोनिक का मोटो है। स्लोगन है क्वालिटी अनबीटेबल विद cost effective solution.
We have our team of committed professionals who furnish the latest advanced designs with high productivity and negligible maintenance cost. Our products conform to international standards and have competitive pricing. We have a well-equipped 3 state-of-the-art production cell and a practical combination of manpower and engineering, which makes us capable to manufacture the best in the industry. ACIPL has been awarded Most Famous Brand in Asia by M Famous Brand, JAS ANZ ISO 9001-2008 certified and CRISIL rated company for quality gas plants and services and World Quality Commitment Award. The Ashirvad Group began its journey in 2000 as consultancy providers and began to manufacture gas plants in 2007 and now have achieved greater heights and have become leading manufacturers and suppliers of gas plants. Our products and services: CO2 recovery plant, CO2 recovery plant brewery based, cryogenic tanker, liquid CO2 storage mobile tanker, dry ice machines, accessories, ACIPL harnesses the exclusive technology with the highest caliber of glass plant and equipment that will provide many years of trouble-free operation. We are contending to maintain our quality levels by regular quality checks. All our products are duly tested by a team of experts who maintain strict vigilance. We are endlessly running to reach the height of perfection by updating our expertise and technology. All our products undergo rigorous quality assuring operations and adjust internationally to all the safety standards. ACIPL is committed to providing clientele with the best and most dependable glass plant equipment available.
For Ashirvad, I would like to say that if you are looking for a reliable source who has the capability to deliver a quality product within timeline, then as per my experience, Ashirvad is one of them where you can trust.
Our company has grown an increasing network of gratified customers all around the globe. Through our technological high quality, robust infrastructure, top standards, healthy business policies and originality, we have earned the faith and esteem of our clients. Our services and productions are required by European, Asian, Middle East and Gulf nations and rest of the world. CO2 is a vital asset for the planet's future as well. Carbon dioxide is a new environmental friendly dry cleaning process that is highly effective in removing stains. Carbon dioxide cleaning is also far less harmful to human health and even safeguards clothes from damage. In replacement of carbon monoxide, incorporation of CO2 refrigerant will also be less harmful and more economical in the future. The leadership of ACIPL recognizes that its biggest competitive advantage and differentiator in the future would be innovation.
Hi, I am Mayank Kaushik, the Chief Executive Officer of Ashirvad Group of Companies. Our team of dedicated members and engineers also provide installation and the assembly of these plants at client manufacturing unit. Ashirvad Carbonic supplied CO2 plant is very much different from the other manufacturers because we are supplying the utmost high quality products. As we believe time is money for our clients, so we are dedicated to deliver the plant on time, timely execute it, timely commission the plant and give the quality as we have committed in our offer to the clients.
We urge to apply innovative thinking across our businesses now and for the future even more explicitly than ever before. We are a committed team of professionals with technical expertise and industrial skills. Quality, performance and satisfaction are the key words to sum up what ACIPL is all about. For more details, log on to our website www.ashirvadco2.com and www.aciplco2gasplants.com.